Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and I want to just give you a quick overview of how to use your new editable greeting card template. So, once you get access to the PDF, it will take you to this particular template and it will be made a copy inside of your Canva document. Now, I'm inside of a sample design that I have here, but when you get the template, I will have these placeholder images removed. And all you would need to do is drag and drop your own photos in here. And you'll see that there's actually 4 different frames here that you can drag and drop images in um, here. And they are just easy to swap out. If you have something in there, you can detach the image and then that will go back to looking like this, which is how yours will look. So if I have this picture and I wanted to bring it in here, I can just drag and drop that image inside of my document. And if you need to reposition your image, all you need to do is double click on it and then you can drag and drop it around. You can also rotate images by going here. Now that wouldn't make sense for this image, but depending on the type of image you use, you might want to rotate it around inside of your frame. So that's how you can do that. And if you decide, oh, I don't like that picture there, like I say, you can do the detach image, but it's really not necessary. You can just simply find another image and drag and drop it and it'll pop over there inside of your frames. Okay, so here, this is actually a frame, but I decided since it was so small, I decided not to put an image in there, but you could if you want to. What I decided to do, and I'm just going to click the undo button, is to make it a color. So to do that, if you want to change the color to maybe you want that to be a gold, a different gold, you can do that there. Or you can pop an image in, and you'll also notice down here, I have patterns, so you can drag and drop patterns inside of these frames as well. It's totally up to you. And this text is editable, so you can change it to say something else. You can change the color in these particular pattern. These are Canva elements that are free to use. If you don't like them, you can simply delete them. On this back page, I made it a frame as well. So you could add a different photo here or a background paper if you want. Let's see. If I look up pattern paper, maybe I'll just drag and drop this one in here. Now you'll see that pops in there, and then you'll want to be sure to delete this. You'll delete this text box or edit it if you want to put, from our family to yours or whatever text that you want to add there. And then I'm going to undo that. Here, you can also change this to a color if you like. If you don't want a background paper, you just want it white or a different color, you can just pick your color picker there. And then, like I say, if you want to put some text there, you can edit this or simply delete this. Once you have your design like you like it, all you need to do is go to share. And then you want to go to download and you want to pick PDF print and you want to say the current page that you're on and choose that and click done and then click download, and then you'll have that and you can send it to your printer. This is size for an 8.5 by 11 page, so you want to be sure that you're printing it at the size. Okay, so that is just a quick and easy tutorial on how to utilize this template here. Like I say, everything is pretty much editable and you can make changes. Also, this outside of the outlines, you can change that to a different color as well. That could be a light blue or whatever that you like there as well. White, it's totally up to you. So I hope you enjoy this template and I wish you a happy holiday season. Bye-bye.